Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to edit the checkout page in Shopify. First, log in to your Shopify admin. From your dashboard, go to Online Store and then click Themes. Here, you'll see your current theme listed at the top. Click the Customize button next to your theme. Now you're in the theme editor. From the top drop-down menu, choose Checkout. This will open the checkout page where you can make visual changes. You'll be able to edit things like your logo, background image, and colors. For example, you can upload your logo at the top of the page, change the background color, and adjust the button styles to match your brand. These options are found in the left-hand panel. However, it's important to know that you can only make basic design changes if you're using the free Shopify plan. To fully customize the layout and content of your checkout page, like adding custom fields or rearranging elements, you need to be on the Shopify Plus plan. This plan gives access to the checkout liquid file, which allows advanced edits using code. If you're not on Shopify Plus and you want to collect more information during checkout, you can go to Settings and then Checkout. Here, you can control things like whether customers must create an account, which fields are required, and whether to offer tipping or order notes. After making your changes, click Save in the top right corner. That's how you edit the checkout page in Shopify. Thanks for watching.